Hello everyone, very excited to be bringing you this quick demo video of Dakota Marketplace's 13F capabilities. So I've just navigated to the Investments tab, and now you'll see that I've come over here to the 13F Filings tab. We've organized this by filing date, and we've made it very, very easy for you to search. So if I just came in here and wanted to search by ticker, I'll just pick a very large ticker. Here I've searched for IVV. It's just the iShares S&P 500 index. As you can see, I see all of the unique investors who have invested in IVV, the ticker, the investment strategy, their latest fund balance, their latest number of shares, and latest filing date. If I want to learn more about this particular allocator's investment history with IVV, I can click into View Investment. Now here, I'll see additional information on that specific investment and then all of their past 13F filings that have had IVV. So in this case, you can see that we are on an account who has invested in IVV for quite a long time, and I'm able to see how the fund balance and number of shares has changed since their initial investment in the strategy. Now, if I was interested in learning more about this allocator, I can click into the account here. I can see that they are a multifamily office. I can scroll down and see all the key contacts. And then of course, I can see their other 13F holdings. So here I can just quickly look at IVV, as we just found, but then all the other strategies they've invested in with the ticker, latest fund balance, and then again, the ability to view their investment history here. Now, if I wanted to look strategy specific, I can click right into the iShares S&P index investment strategy, and then I can see all of their public investments and all of the other investors in the strategy. In this case, the reverse view of what we saw in the 13F tab. So here, looking at IVV, all of the investors in it, and you can see just how I was able to get to Halbert Hargrove. I'm also able to get to Forbes Financial Planning right from here. So everything interconnected and easy to get to and from each strategy. Now, we also want to highlight that Dakota Joe works really well here. So I can just quickly say, show me all 13F filing investments for the ticker IVV. I'll click enter, and then Dakota Joe is going to run this list, and it'll actually change the tab that I'm looking at right now. So rather than sending you to a report that might be hard to find, it'll create you a custom list view, and it will save that list view for you. Now I click on my list view, and you can see I'm on the same tab here, and I have all of the IVV holdings. In this view, I'm looking at it by investor, but I could toggle to look at it by fund. In this case, it would show me how an investor's changes have happened to that strategy over time. So just another way to look at that here. So now if I search InvestNet on the tab, rather than clicking into the account, I can see how InvestNet's holdings have changed over time. But of course, I can toggle back here and just look at the unique, most recent fund balance. We're very excited to be bringing this new data set to you all with a new and improved UI. There are a lot of features coming soon, and you'll see more demo videos as we continue to launch additions to our 13F Filings platform. Thank you, everyone, and we'll be back soon.